Hello teachers, I just wanted to review which cables should be plugged into your MacBook in order to project things accurately on the screen. So the first things first is you always want to make sure that your dongle is plugged into your MacBook. You also want to make sure that it's fastened securely to the VGA cable. Sometimes if this is not quite connected, you might get some discoloration on the screen, so just give that a nice good connection. Second of all, we've got two different USB cables that are coming out of your desk here. If you look, there's a slight difference between the cables. This one has the little indents on the sides here. This is the one that you want to use in order to get the touch function to work on your board. If this is not plugged into your MacBook, then it will not give you the touch function. The other one actually goes to the Ladybug. And it's plugged in right back here, so you can always follow the cord all the way back. And you would use that cord if you want to use the Ladybug software through your Mac. If you don't plan on doing that, you can always just unplug this from here and then leave it in a drawer until you need it at a further date. But again, once you have this plugged in, you can also plug in your audio so that you can have sound through your projector as well. So those are the cords that must be plugged in order to use the touch function on your projector.